Hi guys, Rachybop here, and today I'm going to be talking about family sharing, which is a feature that comes with iOS 8. Here to demonstrate I have the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 5S. Not really important which iPhones you have as long as they can run iOS 8. So family sharing is a really cool feature that came with iOS 8, which means that you can sync purchases without having to share your Apple ID with anybody else. You can add up to 6 people to share your purchases, and that's content, photos, locations and calendars from your individual account. So here's how you do it. You basically, first of all, you need to make sure you've got iOS 8. To do that, just go into settings, general, software update, and make sure you have the latest version of iOS 8. At the moment I'm on iOS 8.1.2. So to set it up, there needs to be one person who is head of the account. Once you enable family sharing, any purchases made from the connected devices will be charged to the organizer's account. What you need to do is go into General, iCloud, Family, and then from here you just add a family member. So you type in their name or email address, select them from your list, and then sign in to iCloud. And this is using your Apple ID. Click OK, then click Next, and then it will have sent them an invitation. Go into Settings, go down to iCloud. You can see he's got one notification. You can go in there and then you can see that he's got a family sharing invitation. Click Accept. Then he gets the option to confirm his account, so click Confirm. Then it will ask you if you want to share purchases, so click Continue. Then it will ask you if you want to share your location with your family so they can find you at all times, so we'll click Share Your Location, and that is now set up. So that's popped up on here. Ryan has now joined family sharing. So then if you want to add any more family members, you can just keep adding them until you have 6, but all their purchases will be billed to the main person's account. But you can also share everything with each other, so any apps that Ryan has I can now have, and vice versa. You can access each other's apps, music, movies, TV shows and books. To do that, you just go to the iTunes Store, then into More and Purchased. Choose the family member, so in this case it's Ryan, and then I can see any music or films or anything that he's purchased, and I can then have that for myself. You can also set things to hide from members of family. To do that, you need to be on your computer. You have iTunes open, you go into this section under Purchase, and there'll be an X on the top left corner, and that will hide it and unhide it. And if you want to share photos, you basically go into your Photos app. If you go into your Shared, you can now see that you've created a new stream called Family, and you can then add photos of your own to that stream. Click Done, and then any photos that he wants to add into that he can add in, and you'll get notifications when people post things to your family stream, which is a really nice feature. You just see on Ryan's now that that's worked. You can see he's got this new notification here, and he can click like on that as well to show me that he's seen it and that he likes it. You get a little photo stream with likes and photos from your family. You can also turn off the notifications for that. You don't have to have it come through and let you know if your family is particularly active. You can also share calendars and reminders, so if you want all your family to be at one place at one time or something like that, you can keep your family organised. To do that, you just go into the calendar app, and you will notice you go into calendars, you see you've got a new calendar called Family, which you can hide or unhide. If you go into information, you see all the information about this. Click cancel. So everyone in your family has access to this calendar. You can add things and share things using that, just in the same way that you would use the calendar. So if I want to put something in for tomorrow, I'll say right now, lunch, just say dinner, whatever, lunch, whatever you call it. Okay, add. I can then make sure that that gets added to the family calendar. Yeah, okay, that's done. And he's got notification there of dinner today. We set it up so we would share our location. If you want to stop that, you can go to settings, iCloud, share my location. You can disable it so that no one in your family can know your location. But if you do have it turned on, everyone's iPhone will show up, so if anyone in your family loses their device, you can use your iPhone to find it. Okay, so you can also use this to set parental controls. If you have children, this is a good feature. All you need to do is go into settings, iCloud, which we're in, then family. And at the bottom of the screen you can see that it says create an Apple ID for a child. And if you click that, it will bring up this and it will talk you through adding a child. And when you have created that account for the child, they will be given an Ask to Buy feature, which is activated by default, and that means if they want to download anything from iTunes, you will get a notification on your iPhone to let you know that so-and-so wants to buy this, do you want to allow them to? And then you can allow or disallow that. If you then want to disable family sharing, all you need to do is go to the family section, click on the name of that person, then click remove. You can then remove them from your family, and you can then click in your own name and stop family sharing. So you've then disabled that family altogether. The thing I really like about family sharing is that you can share apps. So if I buy anything, Ryan can see them on his and vice versa. And with all the content, I love the photo stream. I think that's a really good feature and it's a lovely way of keeping in touch with your family. The thing I don't like about it is the fact that everything gets charged to the main person's account. So if you just want to use it to have a family photo stream and check each other's locations and things, this is not the one for you. Let me know what you think are the good and bad points about family sharing in the comments. I'm sure you'll be able to bring up some really interesting points, and hopefully I've explained it well enough for you to get started if this is what you want to do with your iPhones. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!